Question 4. Find the range of values of r if the graphs do not intersect the x-axis. So if the graphs do not intersect the x-axis, our b square minus 4ac will be less than 0. Okay, let's look at A. So here we have our quadratic function. They already separated nicely. A is r, b is 4, and c is negative 6. So we just have to put it into the equation. So b square minus 4ac less than 0. 4 square minus 4ac less than 0. So 4 square is 16. Negative 4r times negative 6 is plus 24r less than 0. So negative 16, we bring it over that side. Sorry, 16 we bring it over that side, become negative 16. So making r the subject, we get 16 over 24. We can simplify this using the calculator. Negative 2 over 3. This will be our range of r. Okay, then let's get b. Let's move this all to this side. Alamak. Okay, never mind, I just erase this lah. Okay, for b, our a will be r, because that's the coefficient of x squared. Our b will be this whole thing. And our c will be the constants. So r plus 7. So we put this into our equation. B square minus 4ac less than 0. Now we have to expand this. So 2r square will give us 4r square. 2 times 2r is 4r. Times 4 will be 16r. And then 4 square will be 16. Then we expand this. Negative 4r times r will be negative 4r square. Negative 4r times 7 will be negative 28r. 4r square minus 4r square cancels off. 16r minus 28 will give us negative 12r plus 16 less than 0. So now what we can do is we bring this negative over this side. So 12r is less than 16. Sorry, more than 16. Making r the subject. 16 over 12. So 16 over 12 is 4 over 3. So we rearrange it. R is bigger than 4 over 3. Done. Okay, so whenever you rearrange this, you just look at the symbol. You see R bigger than 4 over 3, right? So when you rearrange it, you have to write this way. R bigger than 4 over 3. That's it.